Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. Today we have a lazy man's video for you, and it's also our 5th installment of our series, No Oven, No Problem. And you've guessed it from the title, it's an oven-free frittata. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can use any veggies you'd like. If you want, you can double the amount and sizes of the ingredients and make a bigger frittata. Start off by taking 3 eggs, adding the milk and whisking it well. You can add some salt to it, but I've made mine salt free. Next, heat the oil over medium-low heat and then add the garlic and onions and saute them till tender and translucent. It should take around 10 minutes. Add the bell peppers to the skillet. I've added some hot paprika to spice things up. Mix well and cook until tender. It should take around 5 minutes. Evenly spread it around and then pour in the egg mixture. Do not stir or mix it. After about 30 seconds, sprinkle it with cheese, and again, no mixing or stirring. Cover and let it cook for 12 to 15 minutes or until the eggs have set and the cheese has melted. And that's it, you're done. Drop me a comment below if you've enjoyed this one. As an added bonus, this is one with mushrooms and tomatoes I've made the other day, to test out the proportions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!